take photos?
Yeah.
You got it?
God damn it.
Come on, pull him up. Get it.
Hold on.
On the 17th of February, 2024, a red semi-truck pulling a trailer arrived at a U.S. Border Patrol checkpoint roughly 25 miles north of Laredo, Texas. A Border Patrol K-9 alerted agents to the vehicle. Agents then conducted a search and found 7 undocumented individuals concealed inside the cab. What follows is a breakdown of the events that unfolded.
Hey, put the cigarette out. Take the cigarette.
Where's the cigarette?
Come on.
Yeah, sure. Can you take photos?
Yeah.
You got your iPad? Yeah. Put out your iPad. Yeah.
Any weapons on you, sir? Any weapons on the vehicle? Any narcotics present on the vehicle?
Do you have anything else in the tractor? No other personal property in there? Electronics, important religious items, pictures of kids, family members.
I got a lot of mail.
What?
A lot of like mail.
Mail. Okay, alright. Take off the sweater. You'll get it back right now. I'm just gonna go through it real quick. Alright. Does a sweatpant have a band on it? Take it out. Do you have a knife on it? If it doesn't come out, we'll cut it out.
Fortunately, it's just part of the process. We just have people that try to hurt themselves.
You need to take out the band on that
So it won't come out.
Alright, we're gonna cut it out.
Just pull them to one side for me, please.
Hey, back here!
You, sir?
Yeah.
All right, I'll take that one for you.
Alright, take off the sandals. And then take off your socks. Okay. And then the other foot as
Put
well.
it back on?
Yeah, you can put it back on. So what do you have the ankle monitor on?
Huh?
Why do you have the ankle monitor on?
It ain't house arrest, but me and my girl got into it, and I ain't supposed to go around that area.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have you stand on the wall real quick and do a quick pat down, okay?
Do you have an ID? I'm not seeing one in here.
Yeah, it's right there.
Alright, put your hands on the wall, separate your feet. Mark, separate your feet.
Huh? Not right now. Who do you need to call?
Like my mom.
Your mom? Okay. We'll see. Okay. You're not obligated to a phone call, so we'll see if we have time. Where's your mom at?
At home, I guess.
In. Okay. And you know the number?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll see how things go. And if we have time. If we have time, I'll let you make a phone call, but it's gonna have to be on speakerphone, okay? All right. What's the process?
Yeah.
So it's going to be a little while, that's for sure. We have to make a few phone calls to other agencies and stuff like that. You're going to be in custody at least for the weekend, okay? We're going to submit your case to the courthouse. Either we are or HSI, and they're going to determine whether it's accepted or declined.
What's the name?
For prosecution, for the charges for alien smuggling. Okay. Since it's Saturday, the courts aren't open on the weekends, and Monday's a holiday. So technically, probably Tuesday.
I'll be stuck into Tuesday.
Probably not in here. Probably at the main station. But yeah, most likely. And then most likely Tuesday morning you'll have a hearing in front of the judge. And I don't really know here if they release you or not. I'm not too sure. So it kind of is still iffy since it's so early in the process. Okay. Someone's gonna come talk to you in a little bit, read you your Miranda rights, all that stuff. Okay. Does that make sense? Do you have any other questions? No? Okay. Do you have any medical conditions or anything? No? Okay. All right. We'll be with you in a little bit, okay? Yeah, just let us know when you're ready, and we'll let you call her, okay?
Okay, I think I'm ready now.
You ready now?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it then. Just keep your hands out of your pockets, okay? There's not even a phone in there. Right here? Okay. So down. Oh, no one's gonna be able to, like, you can't really hear through this, I'll be honest with you. You're gonna wait?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a little room or something. I wanna just tell my mom something.
You wanna what?
Just tell her something.
Okay. Well, just remember, it's about 9 o'clock here. Well, it's 8 o'clock here, so she's a it's what? Almost.
Yeah, it's the same. But
Oh, it's the same?
yeah,
Oh. Okay. All right.
you can take the phone in the room. Let's talk to her. Okay. Damn.
No.
Well, can you talk to her for me?
No. No. Here, let's go back over there, okay? If you're not gonna make the phone call, then. All right. We'll come back and get you in a little bit, all right?
The driver was left alone in his detention cell, separated from the movement and noise of the station. Outside, everything carried on as usual. Agents working, conversations continuing, while just a few feet away, a very different situation was quietly unfolding behind a closed door. There were no immediate signs that anything was wrong, no indication of the urgency building inside that cell. Time passed, and when Border Patrol agents returned to check on the detainee, something immediately felt off. As they approached, they noticed a change, an unusual stillness that raised concern. The moment they entered the cell, it became clear that the situation had escalated.
Jack.
God damn it.
Come on, pull him up. Get it.
Hold on. Open that,
He fucking threw away his jacket.
No, sternum rub, guys. Sternum rub. Rub your sternum like this. Hard. Hey, come on.
Come on, buddy.
Wake
on.
up, wake up,
Come
wake
on,
up.
man.
Come on.
Come on, man. Come on, buddy.
Hey, wake up, wake up.
Wake up, man.
Move your... Come on. All right, guys.
You guys have a mask? Or...
Stay calm. Follow these instructions. Make sure 911 is called now. Begin by exposing patient's bare chest. Remove or cut clothing if needed. When patient's chest is bare, remove the white square package from lid of AED. Tear open white package across dotted line and remove pads. Peel one of the white pads completely from blue plastic. Begin pulling from the tabbed corner.
It'll tell you there on this side where you put it.
Firmly place the pad without the blue plastic
It
on
does not
patient's
open.
bare chest, exactly as shown on pad.
Yeah.
This pad can be placed on either of the two locations as shown on pad.
6, 7, 8.
Next, peel
That was
second
on the
white
top
pad from the blue plastic.
The detainee had harmed himself. The atmosphere shifted instantly. What had been a routine detention turned into a medical emergency within seconds. Agents reacted quickly, calling for assistance and doing what they could in those critical moments while waiting for additional support to arrive. The incident marked a sudden and tragic turn in what had started as a standard enforcement stop, underscoring how quickly situations can change behind closed doors. At 11:43 p.m., EMS team and Border Patrol agents arrived at the hospital. At 11:52 p.m., the driver and suspect was pronounced dead. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.